Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to be sanding the fenders on the 59 Chevy stepside Apache, and we're going to be filling in the dents, and we're going to be leveling and priming it probably the next video. So here we go. So these are the fenders that I'm working on. These are the front fenders, all disassembled, headlight buckets out, just the plain fenders and all that. So what we did is we got all the old paint off, which I had done, and then we primed it with that self-filtering spray cans. And then what I'm doing now, so you can see right here, I'm filling in that dent right there, that's smooth right there. The holes I'm gonna probably leave for the metal, and I gotta work on the grill thing, work around the headlight bucket, and this right here, this one I think is done pretty good, but this one I can still feel it, it's not level, and I gotta fix that one, and gotta do that one where I guess they dented it with something heavy dent, but that one. And then when we go to the other fender, this is the other fender right here. So I'm pretty sure this one's all done. It's just been sitting up here for a long time. I ain't done nothing on it, but that one's just been sitting there. And here's the hood. So the hood I was working on way back. Got the front done. I just ain't did nothing. Now I gotta finish leveling that bondo, smoothing all that out, and priming this whole fender underneath it, and that'll be good on the fenders after I get all the dents fixed and get them all primed up in the hood, hang them up, have them ready. And then, like I said, the cab, it's going over to my uncle's, which is Tommy Kirkland on YouTube. He's building the Baja Bug right now. That's why I keep posting his videos. And this is the cab that he's gonna be taking over. So he's gonna be taking this cab over to his house sometime when it gets time. And we're gonna be fixing these pillars, all that. I got new steps coming in sometime. I gotta fix the floorboards. I already got the cab corners, and then we gotta finish that. Get all this one done. Basically do the whole cab again. And I gotta fix the glove box. And then after all this done, digital speedometer, all new stuff, new smoke glass on it and all that. Don't know the color yet. If you have any, options to give me, put them in the comments down below. Let me know. And that'll be the end of the video for today. But I might post another one like shortly after this one's uploaded on some me sanding the fenders, just here and there, what I'm doing, like bondo and sanding it down, leveling it, spraying the primer with the air gun, because it's gonna be the first time doing that. And yeah, so if you like this video, please share it, like, and y'all have a good one. Thanks.